Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and in this video I'm going to talk about relationship coefficient, and we use letter R to designate coefficient of relatedness, or how two people share common blood or common genes. In our case we have to find coefficient of relationships for these two individuals. Who is going to be these two individuals? And this is mother side of this person, so this is male, this is his mother side, two parents of the mother, and through her mother she related to this person, so this is going to be half brother of mother of this individual. So F have to be half uncle of this individual, but also these two individuals are related through father side of individual H. Once again, individual E has mother and father and has a half brother. So basically we have a relationship that we call double half uncle and double half nephew. So how we are going to calculate coefficient of relatedness, and for those of you who watch my previous videos, you probably would be able easily to do it. As you see, we have here a loop, but the problem can be that you just would count number of passes, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 passes in this loop. So you may think that this is going to be 1/2 in the power of 6, which would equal to 1/64. But this is not the correct answer, and the correct answer would be to find first two common ancestors, and common ancestor of individual F and H would be individual B and individual C, who is going to be grandfather of individual H, grandmother of individual H, and going to be father and mother of individual F. Now let's make our connections how gene would flow in this family. So 50% here, 50% of the 50% here, 50% here, and another would be 50% from the mother side, 50% here, and 50% here. So basically we see here two passes, and our calculations would be as follows. So coefficient of relatedness of individual F and H would equal to 1/2 in the power of 3 plus 1/2 in the power of 3. So we cannot just multiply all the passes, and individual F and H only can get their common genetic makeup from these two ancestors. So that's why we use multiplication rule here, and also rule of addition or sum rule. So 1/2 in the power of 3 going to be 1/8 plus 1/8, and we are going to get 1/4, or we also can say 0.25, or we can say that these two individuals would share 25% of the genes that they got from common ancestors. And it is interesting that individual F would share with individual H the same amount of genes, just like grandparents of individual H. Those we have here extra steps, but because we have extra steps here on each side, basically we are going to get the same 1/4, just like, for example, individual H would be related to his grandfather or grandmother, with whom he also would share 25%. So 1/2 here, 1/2 here would give us 1/4, and 1/2 here and 1/2 here also would give us 1/4 of the coefficient of relatedness of individual H to his grandparents. And of course, individual A would be grandmother of individual H, and individual D also would be grandfather of individual H. But these two individuals wouldn't be genetically related to individual F, so we exclude these individuals from our calculations. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.